What you're seeing here is direct natural composting done in land. Basically, a pit preparation for fruit plant.
You heard it right. You will see the step-by-step detailed process of a preparation of a pit for transplanting a fruit plant. What you are going to see here is transplanting a dragon fruit plant from the pot to land. Here, she digged 1.5 feet deep, which is basically easy to measure, double, almost like more than 1.5. I can say that the pot size where the plant is there at the moment. Yeah. Now the next thing, he created the aloe veras. Edible aloe vera will be more best, but because since there's a lot of plenty of gel and skin, everything, which is very useful. But you can use non-edible also. Chop into small pieces, mix, punch very well here. That's what he's doing, Mr. Tripura. And here fish waste, shrimp waste, everything and all been mixed up again. See that those juicy fermented waste also being put on top of it. Aloe vera is the one that we can eliminate all any other things which is bad or something and make sure the soil is fertile really very well, and mixing very well and topping up with the soil. That's what is going to do that. See that? Punching and mixing very well. Yeah, this feed is getting prepared. Sorry, the pit is getting prepared before transplanting a dragon fruit.
I've already mixed the aloe vera, the shrimps, the dried leaves, and I've put some extra soil also. And covered it so that there's no smell of it coming out. It looks okay. I think I'll put the plant in tomorrow.
The plan is to plant, but what we have done, adding extra bit of the vegetable waste, fermented waste, along with the kitchen waste, eggshells, coffee, whatever the things are there, that also watered well and left for 1 day. It's basically a 1 week process preparing a bit before transplanting new plant. Yeah, 1 week process. So we mix very well, watered, rotated the soil, all this process what you are seeing here. Basically, when the plant is transplanted, it will find all the nutrition to thrive for. That's a setup.
इसको भी काट के लगाएंगे क्या? बिस्मिल्लाह बोलिए. बिस्मिल्लाह बोलिए. मट्टी थोड़ा नीचे कर देंगे और क्योंकि ऊपर का ठीक है ना. हाँ बस इतना. मट्टी थोड़ा नीचे कर देंगे और क्योंकि ऊपर का ठीक है ना. हाँ बस इतना.